It's winter time in Bowling Green, Ohio. They're gonna snow, rain, snow, and then at midnight turn all the snow. And then starting on Monday, it's gonna get really cold, Arctic air. But we're leaving tomorrow from my apartment and we're going to pick up a load down there in Grove City, Ohio, which is down there by Columbus, and take it to Grand Rapids, Michigan. And they are really going to get some snow. That delivers on Monday. So, that being said, wish us luck. Just a short video. Kind of dark because I got that light off. There's Jake and Panda. We're just sitting here watching TV, kicking back. Like I said, we're leaving tomorrow morning. I'm gonna cook me some supper. I cooked myself some breakfast. I cooked myself some breakfast this morning. Biscuits and eggs, bacon. Night before that last night I had fried potatoes, Salisbury steak and gravy, and asparagus. And the night before that I had lasagna. Not homemade lasagna. I went up to Walmart, got me a frozen, not a large one, but a medium lasagna. And had that for supper. That was easy, just put it in the oven. Tonight I'm just having 2 pot pies. Put that in the oven here shortly. It's 5 o'clock Eastern time here. We're watching the news.
Heavy wet snow rolling into the area this afternoon, creating slushy conditions for commuters, and just the beginning of a wave of wintry conditions headed our way.
Our weather team issuing a first alert weather day. Meteorologist Derek Witt is out in our storm tracker giving a look at the road conditions.
Now first, let's get to first alert Chief Meteorologist Derek Witt tracking this system since the beginning, and it has arrived, no question, Jay.
It has arrived, and for most areas, an extra inch of snow this afternoon. So that was really the only change with our forecast. The timing was pretty much spot on. We were thinking noon to 2 o'clock in most spots, but that cold air, just a ½ degree in the atmosphere, kept the snowflakes coming down. And as we get some evaporation, that's a cooling process too, so that contributed to those extra big fat snowflakes. Still a first alert weather day through tomorrow, although we have been watching roads improve a little bit. Still slushy, still slow going, but this was snow covered about an hour ago. Now at least the salt doing its job, and temperatures above freezing helping as well. Temperatures at 34, so even though it was above freezing this afternoon, that snow overcame that warmer air, and the winds have yet to really pick up. That'll be happening tonight and tomorrow. Another example of the road conditions looking a little better. This is Dora Richards outside our studios, and also notice the raindrops hitting our lens versus big snowflakes. So a sign that changeover is trying to occur. You've got lower to mid 30s in most spots, approaching 40, a sign of what's to come down near Hancock County, Wyandotte County, and Allen County. There's our weather in motion. The deeper the blue, the heavier the snow, and it came right during the time many schools were letting out. So school buses, extra slow today, maybe your evening commute extra slow. We have a break in precipitation, and then There's your changeover to some rain, finally moving to the north after that burst of very heavy snow for about 2 or 3 hours. Here's our forecast timing with Predictor. 6 p.m. showing that rain-snow line approaching US 6. By the time we hit 7, gets close to the state line, and by 8 and beyond, mainly rain for tonight, but this will switch back over to snow after midnight. There's the cold air and the very gusty winds. Still could see winds over 50 miles per hour tonight and tomorrow. As far as our evening forecast, as we still track this first alert weather day, temperatures begin to rise over the next few hours. Our snow becomes a mix to rain back to snow into tomorrow. As far as road conditions right now, I mentioned maybe a little better. Let's see if that's true with a live example. We go outside the meteorologist Derek Witt in the storm tracker. Derek?
Well, Jay, out here we're on 475 southbound, taking it slow with these treacherous road conditions. Right now we're going about 45 miles per hour. That is a little bit of an improvement from what we were. As you mentioned, temperatures edging just a little bit. And right now, seeing mostly light snow, a little bit of rain mixing it. We are now into Wood County. Levis Commons, about a mile away, will be crossing under 25 there. Now, the rain, the snow, the mix of it, a little bit lighter than it was about an hour ago, and that has helped roads improve a little bit. Road crews maybe to catch up. Right now, slushy, a little bit wet. Not seeing as much road-covered conditions on the highways. However, parking lot, side road, we checked those about 15 minutes ago. Those are a little more treacherous, a little more slick. Now, outside the roads, you can see it's a very wet snow sticking to the trees, the signs. It may look pretty, but certainly dangerous conditions. Winds, not a factor yet. We'll be waiting for them to pick up this evening. Now, we have not seen any accidents so far, so that is the good news. We've seen some plows out as well. Road crews doing their very best to try and keep up with the active wintry weather here. Now, thankfully, traffic has been slow as well, and slow going is going to be the name of the game for the rest of the evening commute. Just taking it nice, giving yourself some time to get where you need to be. So we're going to send it back in the studio to Christian. We're going to check the road conditions through the rest of the 5, 6, and 7 o'clock show.
Derek, thank you so much. Several counties in our area have issued snow emergencies. Lucas, Sandusky, and Wood County are all under a level 1 snow emergency. And Williams County is under a level 2. We'll have the updated list on our website, 13abc.com.
And because of the high winds and the snow, the Ohio Turnpike is banning certain taller, high-profile vehicles from midnight to 6 p.m. tomorrow. Certain high-profile vehicles, those taller than 7.5 feet, will not be allowed on the toll road. Among them, empty semi-trailers, which could be light enough to get toppled over by the wind.
Hear that?
You can find the full list of restrictions on 13ABC.
Midnight to 6 p.m. tomorrow, you won't be able to get on the Ohio Toll Road because they're putting a ban. Between 50 and 60 mile-an-hour winds on the toll road. That's why. So if you truckers are coming through Ohio, had to take another route. That's at midnight tonight to 6 p.m. tomorrow. Yeah. All right.
It's disgusting. But he says it's not a problem that's unique to this building. He says thousands of Toledo are having problems.
So that's our weather here. That's where, well, the weather comes out of Toledo, but I'm only 35 minutes away, so pretty much whatever they get, we get. But Bowling Green is on the thing there, so we do get mentioned. But anyway, we'll talk to you guys on the next one. Remember, if there's any truckers watching this, especially if you have no load or you're over 7 foot high on your trailer, you won't be able to travel the toll road from midnight to 6 p.m. tomorrow evening. There's a ban on it, so don't want to get that ticket, right? Including myself. I gotta go to Columbus, but I don't have to get on the toll road. I just go through the woods. But it's going to be windy on me too, so just gotta take it easy. Be careful. We'll talk to you guys on the next one. Later.